In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make the most of Asana intelligence, also known as AI, in your projects and workflows. We'll walk you through the essential steps to integrate Asana AI into your day-to-day tasks, and by the end of this video, you'll be well equipped to enhance your productivity and streamline your work using Asana's innovative features. Let's start by heading over to the Asana website. Enter the Asana homepage, and if you haven't already, make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're there, you'll want to enter your email address in the provided field. Now remember, using the correct email associated with your Asana account is crucial, so double check before you hit that continue button. After entering your email address, go ahead and click on continue. With your email verified, it's time to enter your password. This step is straightforward, but always ensure your password is both secure and easy for you to remember. Once entered, click on the login button to access your Asana homepage. Now that you're inside your Asana workspace, it's time to create something new. Look for the create button on your homepage. Clicking this will provide you with several options. Select the project option, as that's where we'll be focusing our efforts today. As you navigate these choices, you'll need to decide on whether to use a template or start a blank project. Templates can be a huge time saver, especially for repeating workflows, but if you need a custom setup, a blank project might be the way to go. Once you've made that selection, it's time to name your project. Think clearly about what this project will entail, and choose a name that's both descriptive and succinct. A well-chosen name can help keep your team aligned and informed. Next, let's incorporate Asana AI into the mix. You'll see an option to set up your project with Asana AI, a powerful tool designed to enhance project management efficiency. Select this option to enable AI-assisted features. Then click on Generate Preview, which provides a sneak peek of how Asana AI can organize and manage your project. Now, let's finalize by clicking on Create Project. This sets everything in motion, officially kicking off your Asana-powered journey. With the project live, you can delve deeper into Asana AI's capabilities, plan your tasks with its intelligent suggestions, and utilize its features to suggest subtasks, forms, and rules that can simplify project management significantly. Moreover, Asana AI's smart chat function offers an impressive array of potentials. It not only crafts responses in project comments, but can also draft updates, keeping everyone in the loop with minimal effort. And that wraps up how you can leverage Asana intelligence to improve your project management and workflow efficiency. By integrating Asana AI into your tasks, you're setting the foundation for a more organized and productive work environment. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing with Asana.